Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue: if your Dyson SV14 won't pick up properly. This problem usually arises due to a blockage in the air pathways or a fault with the trigger mechanism. If left unresolved, it can lead to reduced suction power, and ultimately, your vacuum may become unusable. To fix this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a cloth for cleaning. Let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the two screws at the back of the handle. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may be wiring connected. Now that the handle is removed, we need to locate the trigger mechanism. This is usually situated near the top of the handle assembly. Inspect it closely for any visible blockages or damage. If it's clogged, use your tweezers to carefully extract any debris and ensure the mechanism moves freely. If you find the trigger itself is faulty, you'll need to remove it. There are typically two small screws holding it in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and gently lift the trigger out of the handle. When replacing the trigger, ensure it is aligned correctly before securing it back with the screws. Remember to apply moderate pressure when tightening the screws. Over-tightening can cause damage to the plastic components. Now, let's reassemble the vacuum. Align the handle back to the main body and gently push it into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are secure. As you finish up, it's a good idea to check for any loose cables or components that may have shifted during the process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, plug the vacuum in and turn it on to test if the suction has returned to normal. If you still face issues, it might be time to consult a professional. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your vacuum well maintained will ensure it works efficiently for years to come. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.